Experiencing call problems with ALDI Mobile? Let's fix it. First, confirm if it's outgoing, incoming, VoLTE, or signal bar related. No calls often stem from APN issues. Ensure your APN is set to phone for AT&T or V's Winternet for Verizon. Incorrect settings block voice and data. Next, check VoLTE. It enables high-quality calls over LTE. ALDI devices require VoLTE enabled in network settings. Enable it. Can't find signal? Weak bars mean poor signal strength. Check for network congestion or antenna issues. Quick fixes: restart, toggle airplane mode, and update your software. If problems persist, continue watching for deeper solutions. Still having issues? Try a network reset or insert your SIM into another phone to rule out hardware faults. If that doesn't work, insert your SIM into another phone to rule out hardware faults. Manually select LTE bands and settings to resolve incompatibility. ALDI is shifting to VoLTE and 5G, phasing out 3G by 2026. Upgrade to a VoLTE-compatible device. A major outage in the Midwest in April 2025 showed the importance of rapid ALDI app updates and network resets. A user fix enabling VoLTE via 463 even went viral. ALDI plans AI network monitoring by 2027 for outage prediction. The future includes eSIM adoption for faster issue resolution. Stay proactive using the ALDI app.